Okay, good afternoon. Oliver here, Jewel Creek Organic Farm. Today I'm going to be forging a Viking style hand axe. We're starting with this drill pipe. Basically, it's like it's a hardened steel, and it's a good base. And then we're gonna throw it in the forge and hammer it out. From that, we'll make our axe blade. All right, so it's in there and it is heating up. Hammering it down. There we go. Okay, so now we're here and we're going to reheat it so it's easy to work. This shouldn't take too long to do the actual forging of the forging portion of it. And then once we have that done, we'll go and do the grind. Very comfortable. You're a very funny looking dog. Okay, that looks, it's getting there. Now I'm going to flatten it out. Okay, there we go. That looks pretty good. Make sure in front. Slight twist this way. Okay, let's call that the forging portion done, and now we're gonna do the grind to shape it. Okay, shut this off. I'm thirsty. It's still hot, so I'm just gonna put down the ice here, and we'll do the top first. So that's still super hot. So now we're gonna take this, turn it around. So the bottom is more intricate. I think I actually want to use a cutting disc and cut into it. Here's the basic profile, bearded Viking style hand axe. Little different shape, different size. Yeah.